are multiple active shooters on site.
Hold it.
Move quickly and clear the area.
Got cops coming.
Police, don't move!
Yourself. I'm surrendering.
Get down on the ground now!
I quit.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Shit.
Stay
fuck.
where you are.
Get your hands off me.
Element to talk. Suspect is in our custody. Requesting transport.
Doc to Element. We're ready.
Stay down and turn around. Stay still. Do not move.
Hands up, asshole! Now! Drop the weapon now!
Turn around slowly.
Hands up! Down on your knees! You don't know me. I lost.
Leave the talk. One suspect in custody. Compliant.
Doc here.
Talk.
Send them
Bag
our
it
way.
up.
Please, this is Doc.
Don't
Secure the
resist.
area and we'll send forensics in.
I was raised in jail, man. I got
Entry team to talk. We have one suspect in custody.
Doc to Element. Notifying trailers.
Motherfucker!
Police, drop the weapon!
I'm done, bro. I'm done.
It's a fucking SWAT team!
Yo, what the fuck?
Police, down on the ground! Get down on your knees, hands up! Hands up! Down on the ground, now! Let me see those hands!
Turn around. Don't get up.
Hands on your head!
Calm down.
Yo, man, what the fuck?
Element to talk. Suspect standing by for transport.
Entry team, this is Doc. Proceed with mission.
Get the fuck away from me.
Stay still.
Just wait until my lawyer gets me.
Lead to talk.
Get down, I want to see hands!
Doc to lead. Trailers
Put your
incoming.
fucking hands up! Police, get down!
Get the fuck away from me.
Put your hands up!
I don't want any trouble.
Stay here. Do not get in our way.
Are those handcuffs?
Talk. We have an individual in custody.
Element.
Hey,
This is
fuck
Doc.
you.
Trailers
You don't know
notified.
Hands up above your head!
Hey!
Get down now!
Turn around. Keep your hands up. Stay down and turn
I'm
around.
over here, help!
We're not here for you.
Let go of me. Just like...
Lead the talk. Civilian is in custody. Requesting escort.
Entry team, this is Doc. We're ready for him.
Put your hands up!
I'm out, okay? I give up.
Stay quiet.
Get ready. can't make me talk.
Entry team to talk. We got a suspect here ready for trailers.
Talk reporting. Continue with objectives.
Shut the fuck up.
LSPD, don't move!
Don't make this worse on yourself.
Yeah. I've been through this before.
Element to talk. Suspect in custody.
Talk to entry team. Send them.
Hands on your head, now!
No, I'm not going anywhere with you. Calm down, I'm listening.
We've got this under control.
Don't do this!
Lead to talk. Civilians standing by for trailers.
This is Talk. Excellent work. Don't stop now.
Get down, I want to see hands! Down on the ground, move! Get down on the floor, right now!
Five-O!
Please get down on the ground!
Shit.
Drop the weapon and get
Step
down!
up. I've had enough.
Hands on your head, do it now! Get down!
I'm not putting anything down.
What's up?
Turn around and stay still.
We gotta talk about Mike.
Hands up! Drop to your knees! Police, get your hands up!
Fuck yourself.
Keep your hands up!
Turn around and stay
Shit, man, they're here.
still. You're under arrest. Do not move.
Do what you've got to do.
Talk. Suspect in custody. Compliant.
We're ready.
Police, get down!
Motherfucker.
Put your hands up!
I can't go to jail.
Police, you're under arrest! Hands up, now! Get down on your knees!
Turn around. This is procedure. Do not move.
Fuck you, bro. I got dogs on the
Talk.
inside.
We got a suspect here ready for escort.
Elemental
Get on the ground, now!
Keep going.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Hey, wait!
Entry team to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
This is Talk. Trailers notified.
Get on the ground, now! Police, hands up!
I'm not going anywhere.
Hands on your head, move!
You.
Down on your knees!
Oh my God!
Hands up, do it now!
No fucking way.
Down on your goddamn knees, now! Hands drop to your knees!
Out there, man.
down and turn around. Stay down.
You guys don't get it. We're trying.
Element to talk. Suspect in custody. Compliant.
Doc here. Trailers en route.
Don't you fucking move.
This is crazy!
Lead to talk. We have a suspect in our custody.
Doc to entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Talk. Bagging.
Lead, this is Doc. Forensics is standing by.
Entry
Doc
team to
to
talk.
lead.
Collecting.
That's how we get it done, folks. Roll in for debrief.